So I was working on an app yesterday and I figured that I needed to keep the screen alive. So I had worked on the app already, sent it to the client, and the client says, Paul, your app keep going to sleep. So it's a movie streaming application where you used to get to stream movies, maybe some sort of Netflix or something, but for very local content, right? And so I was looking for a way to make sure the screen doesn't go to sleep. And I checked online, and I saw that a couple of persons have been having similar difficulty making their app go to sleep. So I checked on the Flutterflow forum, and I saw somebody had created something in the marketplace. I tried it, but I kept on having compilation error. So I decided to, just write my and make sure it works. So if you want to make sure your app doesn't go to sleep, this is what you do. So first thing first, you go to your dependency and you add a custom pub dependency. And the one I added, it's called Wake Up Plus. That's the one I added. So this is the dependency I added. So this is the dependency that makes sure your app doesn't go to sleep. So first you add it. And when you add it right here, you go to your function. And the reason why I was having an error before was because I was using a custom function instead of using a custom action, right? So that whenever that page, any page that I need to stay awake for a very long time, I just make sure it does. And you could also set some if statements if you want to. So I just, I came right here, and so this is the pub dependency, right? This one, right? You can add it here or you can add it over there. And then I created I imported that particular package. This is it right here, this one right here. And then I just made the function to return a void, and I enabled the wake up plus function to just work, right? That's the only thing I did. So I think it's better for you to add it here. It's better for you to add the dependency here so you don't really have any problem, because you might have compilation problem if you add it over there. Except maybe you want to use it on different, you want to use it all over your apps, so different apps that you're going to be making in Flutterflow. So this is why I added it, and it's returning no value, so it's void, returning nothing, doesn't have to return anything. Then I'll go to the page where I want to make sure the video shows. And I'm going to say on page load right here, and then I will just call that function. That's all. On page load, I will just call the function, and my screen will stay awake for the longest time. For those persons who don't, if you do not want your screen to stay awake, maybe past some certain minutes, what you can do is that you can create a counter. You can create a counter that is yes, and then there's a timer that keeps on counting. So you calculate the difference. Maybe you want to do 30 minutes. So you say 30, when it's 30 minutes plus when the person opened the application, you want the function to stop. You want to disable the function. So that's something that works if you want to add an if statement to it. And also you can also come here. You can also come here, right, on your function and add and put this inside an if statement where it returns a yes or a no. That's something that works also. So I hope you'll be able to use that and you're not having a problem keeping your app awake, right? I can't really show you, but I'm telling you it works. I've tried it. I've been watching a movie with the app and it works very well. That's why I'm giving it to you. So thank you very much for watching. That's a tiny Flutterflow tip. I'll see you in a different tutorial. Bye.